Welcome to the aesthetic rehabilitation of severely damaged anterior teeth hands-on course. I am Professor Rodrigo Fonseca and I'm here to explain this course to you. I mean the key concepts we're gonna work, our schedule, and all the results I expect you're gonna reach after the course. I'm a dentist, a professor, and a researcher at Federal University of Goiás in Brazil. And during the last 20 years, I've focused on teaching and applying in my patients aesthetic and adhesive rehabilitations. I had trained more than 3,000 dentists all over the world in my presencial and online programs. And I have a master's degree in oral rehabilitation and a PhD in dental materials. In the last 8 years, I created the OTW Dental Education for the creation of digital content in dentistry. And finally, I'm also an opinion leader for companies such as Curaray, Dentsply, 3M, Kerr, and several others. And so on, all my professional activities reflect the elementary concepts and techniques we need to reach these desired goals. Well, the aim of this hands-on course is to make you learn and immediately execute impressive aesthetic composite resin restorations in damaged teeth, I mean worn, decayed, or even fractured ones, with either direct or semi-direct techniques, and also how to reinforce teeth with adhesive procedures and fibers. You will be able to mimic tooth structure in terms of anatomy, optics, and beauty, mastering diagnosis, smile design, and treatment plan for damaged teeth, reaching excellence and avoiding future fractures or debonding. All procedures will be practiced during the hands-on sections as you master techniques and material selection. This course was completely created to match the requirements of your needs to rehabilitate damaged teeth with security as well as in few sections as possible. The course will be delivered in 3 days. First of all, we will concentrate our efforts on tooth structure evaluation, diagnostics, and treatment planning. How fragile, how much damage has the tooth you are working on it, and what to do about it. After that, you will learn a comprehensive method for smile design, and we will learn everything to master composites restoration for anterior teeth, material selection, shade, layering, finishing, polishing, either for direct or indirect techniques. Then we will go to restorative procedures using fibers or semi-direct composite techniques. At the end of the course, you will be able to diagnose and restore damaged teeth with direct and semi-direct composites, to use fiber reinforcement to prevent fractures and reinforce teeth, and you will master adhesive techniques to recreate beautiful and natural rehabilitations. In addition to the presencial course, we have included in this program 5 online classes to improve your clinical results. In the next sections, you will find our specific schedule, a list of materials and instruments for the presencial course, and the online classes I mentioned before. Thank you for your trust in my team and see you in Orlando, Florida on the dates you can see here in the video.